Guys, Michael with Juggernaut. Today we're going to be going over Tig Welding stainless steel. We've got some thin wall stainless tubing going to our thicker 1/4 inch stainless plate. We're going to be using our edge welding cups number 18, and we're using our Everlast 255 EXT. I've got it set at 200 amps right now. I think I just control it with my pedal, but normally you would want to go 1 amp per 1,000ths thickness of your material. So if you're welding, say 1/4 inch, you would want 250 amps because it's 250 thousandths thick. Since we're going to a thinner wall tubing, we're not going to be running that much amperage. We're not looking for full penetration on this. So let's get to it.
So again, we're trying to build that puddle quickly. Move forward, dab, move forward, dab. Show you that without the weld filter on. And you want to allow, you see me hold my cup up there until it stops flowing, until your post flow stops flowing. You want to continue to shield that weld until it cools. So I think I have my post flow set at like 12 seconds, something like that. It all depends on how much gas you want to waste and how much coverage you need. For this, let's be honest, it's an exhaust stack for an excavator, a fancy exhaust stack for an excavator, but you know, it's not food grade work. So, but I still want to do it correctly. So you can see there, like I said, running about 40 CFH with our number 18 edge TIG cup. It's a bad mamma jamma. So just to recap, we were TIG welding some stainless today. This is an exhaust stack for an excavator. If you don't have a weld rotator and all this fancy stuff at home, that's fine. I honestly, because we're doing a video, I did it in sections anyway, and it probably would have looked better if I just went in one pass all the way around at the same time, but who cares? Again, we used our edge welding number 18 cup. The more shielding gas for stainless, the better. This 18 is really nice. You know, you could go all the way up to their big guys like this, a 23 if you wanted. But this one, I mean, you could even take titanium with this, even though we've got a number 30 titanium rig from these guys. But a number 18 should be plenty for doing stainless or doing anything like this. We ran a 1/16 inch 2% lanthanated tungsten, sharpened it beforehand. I don't know if most of you guys know or not, but the steeper the angle on your tungsten, the tighter your arc is going to be focused. You can see how that is a really sharp angle. Your arc is going to be a lot more focused with something like that, as opposed to going with a more shallow grind like that. Okay, it's just kind of personal preference at this point. The Everlast 255 EXT, it has more more functions than you are going to even need to use on a daily basis. Okay, very equivalent to the Dynasty. It is nice that it has that pulse feature. For stainless, that's what pulse is meant for, is to prevent, you know, too much heat input. Anything you can do to put in less heat input, the better. That's why I was saying in the video, get your puddle built really fast, dab, 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 and then get out of it. If you're worrying so much about the heat that you're taking forever to build your puddle, and you're having to move really slow because the material's not heating up fast enough, you're actually going to put more heat input into it by the end. So yeah, 2% lanthanated tungsten, 1/16 308 filler rod, and this is Tig Welding stainless steel. And please, if you've got, or if you've learned anything useful out of any of my videos and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook. It's @JuggernautWeldFab. Share our posts, tell your buddies about it, and y'all have a good day.